Hey everyone, welcome to Crypto Weeklies. My name is Josh, and today we will be discussing about Kava crypto and its token Kava, and do a AI-based forecast for the base case, the bull case, and the bear case for Kava going forward till January 2024 using data since Kava was being launched at October 2019. And this is the monthly average price chart that you're seeing color coded on uh, from dark green to dark red based on the price and its difference between the current price, that is, for example, in April 2020 was 54 cents, and the average for the entire time series from 2019 October till August 2023, and how far was 54 cents price away from the average in terms of standard deviation. So for example, 54 cents for that is April of 2020 was negative 1.05, that is negative 1.05 standard deviation to the downside, and similarly during its that point the color was dark green, and now that we are tracking the opposite side, that the dark red territory, that was in August 2021 with a price of $6.83. The price was 2.37 standard deviation away from the mean to the positive side, and the color code was dark red, and the more the higher the z-score, the more redder the color. So this after the 2021 bull run, which actually peaked in August for Kava, not in November like for most of altcoins. This token has been uh, has been under the negative z-score territory since between May and June of 2022. You can see that the z-score flipped from positive 21 0.21 to negative 0.24 at the territory, and this marked the change in the color from light red to light green, and then subsequently this token has failed to hold any lows that it created first in July 2022, that was taken out in September 2022 again, August September time frame again. There was a precipitous drop in around October 2022 in the later quarter, the last quarter of 2022, to about 77 cents. This token then formed a higher low in April 2023, and the first time that I've created a video for this token was, I think, in June of 2023 on my channel, and this was the AI based forecast. The first couple of months forecasted by the AI model were more bullish because of these patterns that formed in the uh, first half of 2023. But now that we are seeing fairly lower valuations, I went ahead and fixed the AI model with more recent data. That is, for example, in August of 2023, the model had forecasted an average price of $1.74, whereas the actual was only 76 cents at a monthly average. And the z-score, you see that it was negative for the actuals was negative 0.93. So this token, if you have been following other altcoins on this channel, this token has a lower z-score than most of the altcoins with a z-score. Most of them have a z-score of negative zero point 0.5 to negative 0.85. So having a lower z-score means that this token got hit further than most of the altcoins out there relative to its price. So it has crashed more than most of the altcoins, and it also means that this token has failed to hold lows that were created in the uh, bear market year, and it's forming new lows as we speak. So this all of this data has been fed to the AI model, created using ARIMA, LSTM, z-score, and standard deviation technique. So this is the base case forecast per the AI model, and as you can see, these forecasts don't actually are not excellent predictor of future. Like, there is no guarantee, so take this with a grain of salt. So this is just a use of historical data to forecast what is a possible route for Kava using AI technique and data science technique and machine learning. So for September, the average forecasted price per the AI model is at 64 cents. for October is at 53 cents, and this territory is of some importance because this is the all-time low for the token that was in April 2020. Per the AI model, this the next month, that is October of 2023, is when in the base case, that is the most likely case per the AI model, devoid of any bull or bear multiplier, which we will discuss later. This is the base case per the AI model without any bias to the bullish or bearish side. This is the AI forecasted valuation for October at 53 cents, which is lower, coming it lower than its previous all-time low at 54 cents. And the AI model also forecasted that in November, even that all-time low that October would create would be taken out, and a newer lower low will be created around 44 cents per the AI model. For December, it's a slight rally to the 48 cents territory, and then in January, 51 cents territory. So that's the trajectory. The base case being, as we have taken out the 77 cents low for the bear market and replaced it with 76 in August. The AI model has forecasted further lower valuation to continue till November. This is the base case. The bull case is, again, it as I said, base case is devoid of any bias to the bearish or bullish side. This is just purely for what the previous price action entails as the most likely scenario. This is the second scenario is bull case, and it is equally important to consider. So all the three scenarios have equal weightage in my mind, because uh, this is forecasting. That is essentially we are uh, trying to predict what could happen, and our predictions depend on what the macro environment allows uh, to happen in either in the bullish side, the bearish side, and also the base side, which is, again, even though not considering the macro environment, the assumption is that macro environment is not a factor. That in and itself creates a, a variable, which is the what does the macro environment say? Is it going sideways, up or down? So for base case it's sideways, for bullish is up, and bearish again is it down. So for September, for the AI model, the bullish case forecast is at $1.04, and it's not looking likely, as we are almost two-thirds way um, in September, and this price action is more of like a theoretical ceiling. Where could the ultimate resistances be in September? In October, that is at 93 cents. In November, again, even the bull case model says that November would be a new low uh, for this particular market cycle. That is, since the since the 2021 bull run, this would be the new low, even in the bull case per the AI model. In December, that's at 74 cents, and January it's at almost 80 cents. So again, the AI model in the bull case says the market cycle low, not an all-time low, at in November. And in the bear case, it's again, no wonder it's kind of like a precipitous drop, because even the base case says an all-time low around the October-November territory. So the base case was substantially bearish. So the bearish case is also a multiplier on the base case. That's why these magnitudes of this bearish downside forecast is higher, because we add that multiplier to keep us in check if there is any severe bearish news per Kava, or in altcoins or Kava in particular. Then those would be the ultimate supports per the AI model. So and not financial advice. So this September, for the floor, the theoretical floor per the AI model is at 24.5 cents. We are not close to that territory if you yet. So if you check the price for currently for Kava is at around 65 cents at the in the price tracking websites such as TradingView, uh, CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko. So 24 cents is a far cry from that current prices, but it's, again, it's forecasting per the historical data that available, and what is like a worst case scenario or a theoretical floor. In October though, this theoretical floor is at around 14 and 14.7 cents. November is at 16 and a half cents. December is at 21 cents, and January is at 22.7 cents. So think of this as a what's the maximum power of a magnet to the downside, where how low can it attract this price action, that is like a downward magnet, and where does the power of the magnet go away. Similarly, in the bull case, this is an upward magnet, and where does that power of that magnet to the upside go away. So just to summarize it, the base case says an all-time low at around November territory, no, in October November time frame, at around price action to between 54 and 44 cents. Um, that's the base case summarized. The bull case is a market cycle low, not an all-time low, around November December time frame at around 70 to 74 cents. And the bear case is a precipitous drop from actually where we are. It's at 76 cents to all the way to 15 cents. So these are all the forecasts pertaining to the Kava crypto. If you like this content, please subscribe to our channel. Also give this video a like, so as to keep us motivated to traverse the crypto markets with a AI based approach. And also do check out the altcoins related playlist that I have. I have covered all the top, most of the top 100 altcoins by market cap, and also Bitcoin and Ethereum related separate playlists for their forecast. The gist is forecast using AI technique, predicting what's the base case, the bull case, and the bear case for most of the popular cryptos out there. So I hope you check them out, and also hope to see you again tomorrow. Bye bye.